Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Saucony Guide 17, a stability running shoe that promises comfort and support for those long miles. I've been putting this shoe through its paces, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. The Saucony Guide 17 is the latest iteration in Saucony's stability line, designed to provide a supportive ride for runners. It features a wide platform and high sidewalls, which contribute to its stability and cushioning. This shoe isn't just about running fast, it's geared towards offering a comfortable experience. Especially for recovery runs and longer distances. Let's start with the design and fit. The Guide 17 comes with a roomy toe box and an asymmetric design, which enhances stability. The materials used feel durable and supportive, which is crucial for a shoe that's meant to endure many miles on the road or the track. Now, let's talk performance. I've tested the Guide 17 across various types of runs, from easy jogs to longer training sessions. What stood out to me is its ability to maintain stability throughout. The broader platform really helps in stabilizing landings, making it ideal for runners who need that extra support. In my experience, the Guide 17 shines as a recovery shoe. Its cushioning and stability make it a reliable choice for easy miles and even for those recovery days post-long runs. However, if speed is your primary focus, you might find it lacking in responsiveness compared to other options out there. To wrap it up, the Saucony Guide 17 is a solid choice if you prioritize stability and comfort over speed. It's well suited for runners who need that extra support, especially during recovery or longer training sessions. While it may not be the most versatile shoe, its design and build cater perfectly to its intended purpose. That's it for today's review on the Saucony Guide 17. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Guide 17 or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy running!